In our Capital Connection tonight, a bill championed as Adams Law is moving forward in the General Assembly. It's one of two anti-hazing bills honoring VCU freshman Adam Oakes. He died at a fraternity event last year. 8 News reporter Alex Thorson joins us live from campus with the latest. Alex.
Well, you guys, Adam Oakes' family has been writing these bills. They've been working with state lawmakers for months now, and it looks like at least one of the measures actually has a good chance of passing and becoming a law. It's change that his family says will save lives here in the Commonwealth.
It's not just us that sees this need for change.
Adam Oakes' family is one step closer to making a set of anti-hazing bills laws in Virginia.
The idea is to deter the bad behavior, and when you see something happen, say something, step up.
Oakes died from alcohol poisoning while pledging to become a member of the Delta Chi fraternity last year. One bill called Adams Law is headed to the full Senate after a stamp of approval from a Senate committee. Oakes' cousin, Courtney White, says in order for it to move forward, a part of the bill requiring an advisor be present at official events with new Greek Life members was taken out after schools said they don't have enough volunteer advisors. The version of the bill that passed requires that schools publicly post founded instances of hazing online.
This is huge. You're basically saying, here's the incidents that have occurred, and you're letting people make better decisions.
It also requires students get more anti-hazing training,
giving kids the education and the tools they need to say no. No, I'm not going to engage in this. No, I'm not going to let you do that to my friend.
Another bill to be considered this week would give immunity to bystanders who ask for help when hazing is happening. It also toughens the criminal charge if a victim is seriously injured or dies, from a misdemeanor to a felony, which can carry a 10-year sentence.
Do you think if these measures were in place that we would still have Adam with us here today?
I 100% think that, yes.
And to be clear, these changes would not apply to the 11 young men who have been charged in this case, who, by the way, are still moving in and out of court proceedings here in Richmond. We know that at least one of the men has pled guilty and is set to be sentenced in March. In Richmond tonight, I'm Alex Thorson, 8 News.